Hey, Pacie.
Hi.
Hi, Pacers.
Hi again.
Today is March 16th, and we're back for Pacie's birthday countdown. It's 10 days until her 7th birthday. How exciting. Are you excited, Pace?
Yeah, before we open, really quick, can I just show you how this card works?
Sure.
Okay, it's good. Okay, this is gonna go fast.
Cute.
Okay, one more time, look.
Whoa, it disappeared.
I'll go grab it.
Okay. Later, let's open
Okay.
up your gift. Or
Yeah.
your prize.
Price. Oh, I already opened it when I smashed it.
Awesome sauce.
It disappeared so quickly. Oh my god! I have another pip!
A pip?
That's short for penguin.
Oh, penguin. Show it to your bank card first. Cute.
Let's see what's on his belly.
Funny.
And I found him already.
Where is
Georgia.
Yep, he's from Georgia. That's the Georgia peach on his belly.
Belly welly, Papa Smelly.
You're so silly. That's so cute. Alrighty, Pacie. Is there anything else you want to tell your Pacers before you go?
I wish I got Mississippi.
Okay, well, soon enough. We're getting there, right?
Yes, I hope I don't have duplicates.
Okay. Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye-bye. Just like, subscribe. Click the bell, please.